Is your lawn feeling spongy or having trouble growing thick, green grass? It could be due to thatch, which is a layer of dead grass stems and roots that build up over time. This layer blocks water, air, and nutrients from reaching the healthy roots below, causing your lawn to struggle. Dethatching is the solution to this problem, as it removes the thatch layer, allowing for healthy growth. However, with numerous dethatchers available, picking the right one can be tricky. Consider these key factors. Factors to consider. 1. Lawn size. 2. Manual versus powered. 3. Working width. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 lawn dethatchers currently available on the market. If you're interested in learning more about the products we mention, be sure to check out the links in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Sunjoe AJ801E Electric Dethatcher. Sunjoe AJ801E Electric Dethatcher is a robust tool crafted to enhance your lawn's health by efficiently tackling unwanted thatch. This compact yet powerful machine features a 12-amp motor that rakes a wide 12.6-inch path, ensuring fast and efficient dethatching for small to medium-sized lawns. Designed with user convenience in mind, it operates with a manual push that is surprisingly easy to handle thanks to its lightweight build. With an adjustable raking depth controlled by a handy dial, you can tailor the dethatching process to suit the specific condition of your lawn, from light refreshing to thorough thatch removal. The dethatcher's standout feature is its air boost technology, which enhances the efficiency of thatch pickup with durable, spring steel tines. These tines are designed to stay sharp longer, ensuring reliable performance across many uses. The inclusion of a detachable thatch collection bag also simplifies the cleanup process, collecting debris as you go. The electric design means starting the unit is as simple as pressing a button, eliminating the mess and maintenance associated with gas-powered alternatives. This makes the AJ801E a favorite for eco-conscious gardeners looking to maintain their green space in a greener way. At number 2, Agrifab 45-0294 Lawn Dethatcher. Agrifab 45-0294, perfect for individuals seeking a blend of durability and performance in their lawn care arsenal. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame, the robust dethatcher can tackle demanding dethatching tasks while ensuring long-lasting use. Its expansive 40-inch working width is especially advantageous for larger areas, enabling you to cover more ground efficiently. Whether your goal is to prepare your lawn for seeding or simply enhance its health, this dethatcher excels at uprooting dead grass and loosening compacted soil. The dethatcher is designed for versatility, making it compatible with any tractor through its universal hitch that ensures quick and easy connection. What sets it apart is the seamless compatibility with various brands, negating the need for extra adapters. With 20 heat-treated spring tines, it guarantees both high performance and long-lasting durability. The ability to replace these tines adds to the ease of maintenance and overall effectiveness of the tool. At number 3, Brinley DT480 BHA Grass Dethatcher. Brinley's DT480 BHA Grass Dethatcher is perfectly suited for larger properties. Featuring a substantial 48-inch working width, this dethatcher quickly and efficiently covers extensive areas. It works exceptionally well when used with a riding mower or tractor, enhancing productivity while maintaining the thoroughness of dethatching. Its design boasts 24 independently flexing spring steel tines, ensuring comprehensive thatch removal that is gentle on your turf. This heavy-duty dethatcher is built with durability in mind, featuring a solid steel frame and a drawbar that can withstand the rigors of frequent use over large landscapes. The universal hitch ensures it can attach easily to any riding mower or tractor, making it a versatile addition to any lawn care arsenal. Additionally, the tines are heat-treated for increased strength and longevity, ensuring they maintain performance season after season. For efficient and effective lawn maintenance, the Brinley is essential for any serious gardener or landscaper. It specializes in breaking up dense, matted thatch, setting the stage for optimal seeding or fertilizing. This process not only prepares the soil but also improves its ability to absorb nutrients, promoting a healthier, greener lawn. Now number 4, Works WG850 Corded Electric Dethatcher. Works WG850 Electric Dethatcher is designed for homeowners who require a robust yet compact tool for maintaining small to medium-sized lawns. Equipped with a powerful 12-amp motor and a 14-inch wide path, this model ensures efficient thatch removal. It offers 3 depth adjustments, allowing for a tailored approach to lawn care whether it's a light turf refresh or a deep, thorough clean. With its foldable handle, This dethatcher offers compact storage solutions and boasts a lightweight design for effortless maneuverability in your yard. The collection bag attached is perfect for keeping your lawn neat and capturing debris as you work. Safety is also prioritized with a lock-off switch that prevents the machine from starting accidentally. Ideal for eco-conscious gardeners, the works eliminates the need for gas, reducing emissions and providing a quieter operation compared to gas-powered models. This electric dethatcher is perfect for regular use, offering a practical solution for maintaining lawn health without the complexity and maintenance of more heavy-duty equipment. It's a straightforward, effective tool that ensures your grass gets the attention it needs to thrive. Now our last product is WEN DT1315 Electric Dethatcher. WEN's DT1315 Electric Dethatcher is ideal for homeowners who desire a powerful yet agile tool for lawn maintenance. With a 13-amp electric motor capable of generating up to 3,300 RPM, it handles moderate thatch layers with ease, providing a 15-inch path that balances efficiency with user-friendliness. The device includes a 5-position height adjustment feature, allowing users to customize the dethatching depth according to different lawn conditions and stages of growth. Equipped with a dual head that includes 16 blades for scarifying and 24 steel tines for dethatching, the WEN provides versatility in lawn maintenance. This design helps in not only removing thatch but also aerating the soil, thereby promoting healthier lawn growth. The machine also includes a detachable thatch collection bag, enhancing convenience by reducing the cleanup time after dethatching. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.